Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go live with screen share on YouTube. First of all you have to do is sign in into YouTube with your account, and then you have to click on this create button on the top right corner. From here you have to select go live. Once you select that option, a new page will open. Then you will see this page in front of you. You have two options, right now or later. So I will select right now. I will click on start. From here, I have two more options, built-in webcam and streaming software. So I will select streaming software. Again, a new page will open. So you have to select, is it made for kids or not? No, it's not made for kids. I will select on save. So there are so many options in front of me. All you have to do, you have to pause here and you have to search on Google, download OBS. And you have to download OBS Studio. You have to select Windows or Mac or Linux system. I will select a Windows system as I have a Windows. So I will select download installer. File will be installed on my file manager. So I have to download the file, and after that I have to install the OBS Studio on my computer. Once the OBS Studio has been installed on my computer, you have to open it. You have to select your screen. You have to select your correct microphone. From here, all you have to do is go to the settings by clicking on settings on here. From here, you have to go to the stream section. Now, from here, you have to select YouTube. Now, it is asking me for a stream key. So what I will do, I will go to my live streaming and I will copy my stream key from here, and I will paste my stream key on the OBS Studio. So I will click on apply and click on OK. So you can also select other things like output mode. You can select advanced mode, or simply you can select how many bit rates you want, maximum bit rates, quality, profile, and you can select your microphone from here. You have to go to the video section and you can select how much output do you want, and after selecting all of the things, you have to click on OK and go back. And all you have to do is click on this button, start streaming. Once you click that button, you will go live with your screen recording. Whatever you do on your screen will be live on YouTube, and that's basically how you can go live with screen share on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.